I play with Dixon. I can't children's book.
Dixon loves to play with Mary's pussy. He enjoys playing with it so much that he even... Oh, God.
What? What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today's video is gonna have you guys cracking. It's super funny. Anyways, please give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video and help me grow the channel, please, and subscribe if you haven't. Now enjoy the video. Story time.
Mary has a little pussy.
Yeah, pussy. Pussy's the name of a cat. Pretty little pink pussy.
Mary has a little pink pussy.
Yeah, obviously. Nice little cat.
She loves her pussy so much that she strokes it every night.
What?
Mary likes to show her pussy to all her friends.
But Mary a whore.
She invites her friends to stroke her pussy as well.
Mary have community pussy.
One of Mary's friends, Tommy, has a big cock.
I must roost out a door.
The big cock couldn't help but
Yo.
behaved excitedly when it
Rita
saw the
can't help
pussy.
herself.
It started flapping furiously.
This is too much. This can't be a children's book.
Another of Mary's friends, Jane, also has a pussy.
Obviously.
However, her pussy was dirty because many
Jane
people
a
played
dirty
with
girl, dear no beard. Dirty pussy Jane.
One day, Mary took her pussy outside to play with her friend Dixon.
Me tell you, Mary have community pussy. I play with Dixon. I can't children's book.
Dixon loves to play with Mary's pussy. He enjoys playing with it so much that he even... Oh, God.
What? Yo.
That
This
he
is a
even
porn
likes
book, not a
Mary's
kid's
pussy.
book.
And
Right now, me vividly
I
imagine
can't do this.
Dixon
Oh,
lick
no.
Mary pussy. What a dirty...
He even licks Mary's pussy until it becomes wet. Suddenly, it started raining, and Mary
Sweetest
invited
time when the
Dixon
rain
to
start
take
fall,
shelter
you
at
know
her
that.
house. Sure, I'll come inside. I'll come inside, exclaimed Dixon.
What will happen now in a Mary house?
Please don't read this to your kids.
I would never read this to my
Mary's
children.
mum also
Mad?
has a pussy, and of course Dixon was very thrilled and wants to play with it. Are you sure you can handle my pussy? Says Mary's mum with a worried look on her face.
Mary mother want her
Not
pussy.
to worry, I've done this
Handle
many
up
times before, said Dixon.
What? Dixon a bad boy. My name is
Dixon
Mr.
was amazed
Dixon.
by
My
Mary's
best
mum
friend is Miss
pussy.
C.
It's so much fun until he was so exhausted and had a hard time standing.
Dixon tired, poor little boy, child abuse.
The rain has stopped and it's getting late. I better
Where you
get
at,
going.
Dixon? Time to go home.
I'll be back again for both of your pussies.
The boss want mother and daughter pussy tomorrow again? Yo. Hey peeps. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Please to give the video the thumbs up. Share it, help me grow the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, stay safe.
Down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice.